All right, for the apps that I chose to download, I chose this phonics one because kids can look at the letters, and as they click on the letters, it says the sounds, and then it'll show an image, and they're supposed to pick the letters that go up to spell it. So I thought this was a good language arts app that kids can experiment with. There are a lot of different apps on the UEN website, and this was more for kindergarten and the younger grades that I thought would be good for them. Alright, the next app I chose was a math one here, and you can see in this picture it has different objects for addition and subtraction, and it shows with this subtraction problem the different objects, and it X's out how many you're subtracting. So it's a good visual way for kids to learn addition and subtraction visually and to actually click on the items, and it gives options for an answer, and then you just move on to the next one. So I thought this was a good math learning app. Okay, next I was experimenting with the document camera, plugging it in, turning it on. I just put a random object on there, and you can zoom in and out, change the lighting. I thought this was a great way to display an object for kids up on the screen that they can all see and participate in. I'd never used one before, and it was good to practice with. Okay, here again is just another picture using the document camera. I think it's a great tool in the classroom, like I said, for an object that everyone can see, projecting it up on the board, and it's really easy to use. And you can zoom in and out, and there's lots of different features on it, make it easier for kids to see. Okay, so next is the Promethean board, and I had never used one of these, and it was good to learn how to use the pen on the board. And here I'm just typing in a website using the keyboard to go to uen.org. And was able to just navigate on the screen and go to the different websites and use the interactive painting where you can actually circle things on a website and show kids things that you're focusing on. And this is just a picture of an activity on UEN website that you can use. So I think the Promethean board is good to practice with this and all these different mobile technologies and to gain more experience with them. And I would definitely use them in my classroom. I think they're very useful.